Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, so I got a new camera. I end up getting some new parts for the Q. We're gonna be installing some downpipes by Z1 Motorsports. I picked them up for around almost $800 or so. They're I think they're 3-inch, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully it sounds really good. I kind of wanted to sound like a baby GTR. Hopefully, we'll see how it sounds. I'll see you guys here shortly when I get to my boy KO's house. Alrighty. So we're now just pulling up to my boy's house. I guess they're speeding around here. They put this thing there, but we finally made it to my boy's house. Just gonna take his Corolla out. We're gonna park my car in here, in the garage. You got a little cold start.
1 hour later.
Well, we finally got it inside the garage. We're gonna put a bunch of some jack stands. We got a couple right here. We want to get it kind of high or no?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Oh, by the way, KO's ass and I'm gonna try the Red Bulls. Bam. You like that one? Yeah? I ain't never tried this one. I think I tried the cranberry one. If you know me, you already know that I like to drink the shit out of these, but the tropical one, that was pretty good. I had to cut out of my address and my phone number, but here it goes. Got it from Z1 Motorsports. Let's cut this motherfucker open. Damn, bro, it's almost as big as me. Right? That's pretty nice. Them whales, though. Look good, right?
Yeah. Straight right there. Look at that V-band. Look at it focus.
Yeah, it's really good. Comes with the hardware. Alright, gentlemen, so we're gonna go ahead and jack it up. Kinda high. So, oh, by the way, got some new wheels. Got the new Nismo, well, not the new Nismo wheel, but I think these are the V1 Nismo wheels. So, I got rid of the other Nismo wheels. Went with these. I think they look better. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all like these wheels better? I do. Alright guys, we already got it jacked up. My boy KO's under there doing his work. Doing his thing down there. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so he needs a 14 socket. And he needs a wrench. Ratchet. There you go. Alright guys, we had to pretty much kind of take the exhaust down a little bit. We had to we didn't want to take it all apart, so we just, you know, took off the brackets and the what is the rubber what?
Exhaust hanger?
The exhaust hangers, that's right. Take off the exhaust hangers and push it backwards so we get some space. Kind of show you a little bit of what we're doing here. So he already took it apart, but now we're just take take some bolts that are on top there. So you know you gotta. What we're installing is the whole thing from the turbo all the way down, the whole downpipe. So we gotta take off the lower part, which is that part, and then we'll try to see if we can take off the one from the turbo. So we'll get back with you, see if we can take it off here shortly. It's probably gonna take us a little while, so I'll get back with you when we take it out. So we're finally able to get the lower part out. So we'll be removing this O2 sensor and putting it on the new one. But first, before we even get to that step, we still got to remove the upper part. And I've looked at a bunch of stuff online, and honestly, I haven't seen anything on there. But we got the one and only KO. Alright guys, we finally got the top part off, man. But I mean, here you can see you can go ahead and see the freaking turbo. Why is it not going in, man? Zoom in. Here we go. Gonna finally see it. Finally got it off. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the other one, and we'll be right back to show you guys how it looks. All right, here we go. Try to tighten it by hand, that we don't mess up the threads. Just take your time, you know. Learn that lesson. Sometimes you try to rush things and they just don't come out right. Put some pressure there. That's good. Try one more time. Alright. Yeah, that's good. Alright. It's gonna go back in now. There it goes. It goes in. Sort of. Oh no. We just did a thing, sweetheart. Where the fuck? Oh. So we finally got this side in. Barely. Hey, but we got it in though. But it was a struggle, honestly. You just gotta clock it right so it'll fit with this one. But before we do that, we gotta do the other side. So see, we haven't got shit on this side. So here's some. KO found a way to make it work, and we now got it in. So we end up using a jack to hold it in place, and it stood still. So you know, we had no play of it, you know, having a bunch of play and stuff. And he's just now tying up the clamp, ready to go. Start putting back the exhaust and everything like that.
Alright, lower down the jack.
Ooh, yes, sir. There we go. Alright guys, so we finally just got it done. We are finally going to turn on the vehicle. Sounds pretty good. It's not as loud as I thought it was going to be, but I hear it though. In the rear.
Remember, there's no cat. See them?
Yeah, that's fine.
You smell that?
Yes.
That race car smell.
Hey. Bring that mirror out. I don't hear a huge difference in here. At least not yet. Well, I don't even have any sports mode, so I doubt that'll do anything.
Look at this happy face.
I know. Man, after it took forever, dude, I was getting frustrated. I'm just glad you came up with that idea with the check.
Yeah.
Something too. Oh, they got some ice pack here. Nice. When did y'all do that? I got it on sports mode now. Hey, honestly, you know what else?
Yeah.
I can feel it on the shifting. It doesn't take forever.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it's a faster response. How's it sound?
Badass.
Does it really?
Yes, sir.
Holy shit. I'm not even bullshitting. That thing is freaking loud when you get on it. Holy moly.